Hi everyone! Today we will be talking about designing with complementary colors. According to color theory, complementary colors are the opposite hues on the color wheel. Let's first begin by changing our Brandkit colors to some stunning complementary colors. In the left-hand menu, you'll see an icon for Brandkit. Go ahead and select that, and then scroll down to see your color palette for your brand. From here, you can delete a color by clicking this X icon, or you can click the color itself to change the color. Fantastic! Now let's move to an artboard to work on designing with those complementary colors. To change the background of your color, go ahead and select this icon, choose the color, and now you'll see your Brandkit color from the previous page pop up here. Today, I'm going to focus on the complementary colors of red and green. This color combination results in designs that are bright and pop. Some other examples of complementary colors are yellow and purple, orange and blue, and green and magenta. And there you go. In just a click, you can change your palette to reflect vibrant, complementary colors. These are high contrast that will make for high-impact, memorable brand designs. Check out our other videos to see how Simplified's design tools can help you every step of the way with your brand. See you there.